What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys enjoy that installing the exhaust, and today we're gonna do some fitness stuff. I'm gonna go meet Roman to the gym, and hopefully you guys watch his vlog. He has a new channel called Ryson channel. I will put his link on in the description down below, so hopefully you guys will subscribe to him as well. So yeah, we're gonna go to the gym and meet with him and see what we can come up today. Right, we're at the gym now, eh? So Roman didn't bring his car, so he got his truck right here. So we're gonna meet him inside and see what he's up to. So yeah, let's go. It's gym day. So
one eternity later.
I didn't even start yet. Candy Cold, my girlfriend, she locked herself out at the house, so I did that twice already actually, and I'm gonna go rescue her. Lock herself out.
You did too, you did first.
Just got done at the gym. Now we're just gonna go and watch a movie today called Hobbs and Shaw. So we're gonna do a review on that movie after we're gonna go watch it. So stay tuned in that review. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and say hi to Roman right there.
Hi. Subscribe to my channel.
His channel right here.
There you go.
Hey.
That's how you do it.
Yo, we're out here at the movie theaters now. We're gonna watch this movie, Shaw, with this guy right here. So yeah, let's go do this, and I'm gonna do a review on this movie today and see how it goes, if it's good or bad. So yeah, let's go and watch it right now. Oh, the movie was lit. It was done. Let's think of the movie, man.
It was good.
That was good, eh?
It's not also
Steven?
good. Great, man. Recommend.
Hey, recommend it. Anything of the movie?
It's dark.
Disappointment. No.
Disappointment? What are you talking about? It was really good.
One eternity later.
Yeah, so yesterday I didn't even finish vlogging because I fall asleep when I get home, and we're gonna finish it today. Here we watched Hobbs and Shaw. That movie was really good, and it was so funny, and you will see a person that you will never thought that's in that movie. So yeah, you guys go watch it. Hopefully you guys will like it too, and it's really awesome. It's a good movie, and you should watch it. If you like Fast and Furious, watch that movie. We're here at Roman's place, and we're gonna install a new banner that he got. So yeah, it's like the installation of a new banner. You know what it is. You know, the banner will be like nice, and it will be look so awesome. So yeah, so stay tuned. So what kind of banner it is, don't skip this, stay tuned. All right. this is what we're gonna install today, right here. Look at that. Yeah, happy endings. Got another one right there. So we're going to install that today. And of course, everyone here, subscribe to his channel. Hey, right there. So first, I already cleaned the window. I mean the windshield is already cleaned, and we kind of warm it up a little bit. So should be it's all good. Good to go, boys. So he's good to go. And yeah, first we gotta go align it. Line it first. Like we're gonna put tape and line it like where we're gonna put it, and then we're gonna start cutting it and then yeah, let's go and do that one right now. So we just aligned it, and it seems pretty centered. So you ready for it? You happy with it? You happy,
happy
bro?
endings.
Happy endings there. Hey. So we are now on the final stage. Right now he's trying to cut the lines. They're the professional Ryzen SDI. Ryzen SDI. Look at that premium style. Hey, shout out to Premium Auto Styling. Thanks for all the tips. Right there. The happy ending is really good. Looking good. I will put the link where you guys can order it. And yeah. I wish. Right? So right there. Pretty good. And I truly got mine too as well. So right there. That's mine. And shout out to Happy Endings. It's really nice quality. It's so good. So if you guys doesn't have any banners yet, go check out Happy Endings, man. I'll put the link on the description down below so that you guys can see where we get these stuff. So yeah, this guy's so serious right now. It's crucial.
It's so good.
So yeah, thank you guys for watching on this vlog, and I will see you guys next time whenever I upload a video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe on my channel. Click that notification below, the bell thingy, and then yeah, thank you so much for watching. Let's go to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. So hopefully we'll get there. So who knows? Yeah, thanks for the support and love, and I'll see you guys next time.